So today I'm doing a tutorial on how to use Geforce Experience and instant replay. So without any further doing, just let's go to the Google. Let's put in Geforce Experience. You can push on the first link you'll see. It's from NVIDIA. You'll just download Geforce Experience. After you download it, it's like 116 megabytes, so it's not too much. Just install it. You will be asked, I think, to restart your computer. So after you start your computer, you'll see a small icon here. Just push on NVIDIA GeForce Experience. I think you'll have to log in to your account or something like that. So just do that, set up your account, do everything as it says you to do, and next just go to your settings and enable this feature, so it's in-game overlay. And also I would suggest to enable the experimental features. You'll see it will help you in the future, but at the moment you will need just only in-game overlay. And what it does, as you see, you can press Alt Z to share your gameplay or adjust settings. So let's push Alt Z and you'll have this menu. It's instant replay, record, and even broadcasting live. I haven't tried to broadcast live. At the moment I'm recording with Geforce Experience and I'm constantly using instant replay. So here at the settings you have recordings, so here you have to specify where you want your recordings to be saved, and also what's the most important, it's video capture. Yeah, you just push video capture. At the moment I can't change all the settings because I am recording. As you see, it says stop using instant replay, record or highlights to change these settings. So yeah, as you see, you can choose between, let's say, 25 seconds to 20 minutes to save your replay. What it means that let's say you're playing a game and you have made a big play, you killed a squad or something like that, and you want to save that. So my shortcut is Alt F10. After I push Alt F10, from that moment, 2 minutes, I go, let's say 2 minutes up to that moment, I have a replay saved, So what happened in the past 2 minutes, I have a replay saved. Also, I have my frame rate set to 60 FPS, Full HD, so I have all my clips in Full HD and 60 FPS. I'm using a 20 megabits bitrate. You can change that, but I don't know. 20 if it's good for me. If you go for 50, your one clip will be around maybe 1 gigabyte, something like that. I wouldn't recommend that. It's I have tried doing all of these and there's not much big of a difference, so I'll just leave it at 20. I don't want the minimum, so I just left it at 20. 20 so it's good for me. And I don't know, that's it. Also about the highlights, in some games you have these highlights. Yeah, I have turned it off, and also in all of the games I have turned it off because these highlights, I don't know, they're not working correctly for me. Sometimes they just get the kill, sometimes they don't get the win, so I just trust the instant replay feature, and that was going great for me. You can see here you have the shortcut, it's Alt Shift F10 to turn on, and if you want to just catch the instant replay, there's keyboard shortcuts. You can change whatever you want here. Yeah, so as you see, I have saved the last 2 minutes recorded is Alt F10 for me, and that's it. I'll show an example how it works in the game. So I'm back. I've turned on Fortnite. You can go to the settings, and in here you will find your NVIDIA highlights. I have turned it off because I don't use that, because it's, as I said, it's kind of broken for me. So yeah, let's go into creative. Okay, so before you do anything at all, you have to push Alt Z and turn on the instant replay. Yeah, so from now on, there's some kind of like a shadow replay going on in the background of your game and computer. So let's say we do something here, and let's say we want to save everything, you know. Now I can just push Alt Z and let's put save. As you see, it saved like 22 seconds. And now if we go, okay, so now you see I have all of my recordings saved in the video and recordings. There's separate folders that it makes. The program itself makes for you separate folders. So let's say for Fortnite, for desktop, and for everything else. And if we go to Fortnite, I have a lot of recordings here. And here, my last, you'll see it takes 22 seconds, yeah? Yeah, so from now on, there's some... So it's 22 seconds, and you have your clip. That's what you wanted. Okay, besides that, also there's a feature, you know, to take the screenshots. I haven't used the game filter and photo mode. I have just used the screenshot mode. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and let's I hope that I helped you a lot with this tutorial.